To install and run latest Wildfly on your system, you need latest Java JDK release. First, confirm whether Java is already installed in your system by running this command in your terminal command line application. If you don't have Java, then install it using this commands. Now create a new Wildfly user with this base home directory. Now create a new temporary environment variable wildfly_release. This will assign the environment variable wildfly_release with the latest release of the Wildfly version. In the terminal, run this command. Now get the latest stable Wildfly version using this command. Now download Wildfly binary package using this command. You should see the new file in your current directory. Now extract and move the new extracted Wildfly directory to /op/wildfly using this commands. Now you need to set the correct ownership of the Wildfly installation directory to the user Wildfly using this command. After that, create a new default configuration directory using the following command. Then, copy the example of the Wildfly configuration file into it. To edit Wildfly config file, first open it using this command. You can change this address to your local server IP address. Now press Ctrl X on your keyboard. Now enter Y and hit the Enter key. Again, hit the Enter key. This will save and close the file. Here my server IP is 10.0.2.15. You can get it using this command. Next, copy the example of wildfly start script to this directory. Then, copy the wildfly systemd service file to this directory. Now create this directory that will be used for storing the process ID file of the wildfly server. Also, be sure to change the correct ownership of that directory to the user wildfly. Now reload the systemd manager and also start and enable wildfly service. To check and verify the wildfly service status, run this command. Now run this command to open the TCP port 8080 for wildfly. Open your web browser and visit your server IP address with the port 8080. Now you will see Wildfly's default index.html page. First run the wildfly add user script as wildfly user. Type A and hit the Enter key to set up the wildfly management user. Then type the username for the wildfly administrator and press the Enter key. You can choose any name. Now type secure password for the new admin user and repeat. Leave the group configuration as default and press Enter. Type yes to confirm the new wildfly admin configurations and press the Enter key. Now run this command to edit this config file. Add the following configuration to the file. Here my system IP is 10.0.2.15. Now press Ctrl X on your keyboard. Now enter Y and hit the Enter key. Again hit the Enter key. This will save and close the file. Then edit the wildfly start script using the following command. Add this option to enable the Wildfly administration console. Now press Ctrl X on your keyboard. Now enter Y and hit the Enter key. Again hit the Enter key. This will save and close the file. Now edit the Wildfly systemd service file using the following command. Now add this environment variable as an additional command option on the exec start. Now press Ctrl X on your keyboard. Now enter Y and hit the Enter key. Again hit the Enter key. This will save and close the file. Now run these commands one by one. Still on the opposite side. Maybe we cross the line. Oh, you would make me cry. And I know you know all the things I mean. By default, Wildfly administration is running on the TCP port 9990. You will need to add the UFW firewall rule. Take my hand and follow me. Out of you in the fantasy. Something cool, just something sweet. Out of you in the fantasy. I'll be there. Open your web browser and visit the server IP address followed by the port 9990. Type your created Wildfly admin username and password.